So after I finished making the circuits that came in the folder, I made this circuit. Um, Basically, my idea was to make blinking LEDs without the 555 timer. Because as these when the capacitor is full, the resistance, I guess, was so high that it would not be able to turn up the middle leg on transistor. So basically, by using two capacitors, four resistors, and two transistors, I was able to make these two LEDs blink. It's not that great blinking though. I found out that I can change it a bit by using smaller capacitors. As you might remember, I told that I had some stuff from another set, so I had two smaller capacitors from there. And when I installed them, the blinking looks a bit better. Now I got the idea, but before I made the circuit, I googled it to check it out. It don't look that well on here, but in reality, actually, the blinking here looks pretty nice. Actually, I googled it to see if there was someone before me that have gotten this idea, and I found one. So I'll just link his circuit drawing with this video. I changed it a bit though, because I didn't have the same stuff that he had. So instead of 100,000 ohm resistors, I used 10,000 ohms resistors, and instead of 10 UF capacitors, I used 100 UF capacitors because that was what was in the set. So I have rebuilt circuit 8, but changed the wiring a bit. So when I push this button, the power will go in here, and in there it will, from here it will go into there, and it will come out in this pin. Turn on the LED, but a small bit of the power will also go over here, and then it will turn on the switch, and because the switch is turned on, we'll have power going over here, but that will turn off the switch because then there isn't going power to the switch anymore. And basically it will shift between that LED being on and that LED being on very fast. You can see here, and it's also noisy. That LED is clearly on a bit more than that LED, but I'm thinking on trying to put in a capacitor and see if I can change that. So I added a connector, a capacitor here. Just go over the relay. When I press the button now, I see it blinking. So here we go again. Blinking that. I'm pretty sure that I can if I put in a resistor over here, I'll be able to change how fast it blinks. Yeah, now I have to try that.